Experience how Megaspin Fast Touch by Hoffman Megaplan revolutionizes wheel balancing through the innovative combination of a laser pointer and a line laser. The machine is available in both pneumatic and manual locking versions. To start, select the type of weight to be applied. The laser pointer will emit a reference inside the rim. Rotate the wheel until the laser pointer meets the laser line and tap the screen to confirm the diameter input. Rotate the wheel to position the laser pointer at your preferred correction point and tap the screen to confirm. Repeat this process for the second correction plane. Close the wheel guard to perform the measurement spin. At the end of the spin, the spindle automatically locks in the correction position. Megaspin Fast Touch features the one-weight balancing option, which allows you to correct wheel imbalance by applying a single correction weight according to the internal laser point indication, aided by the LED light that illuminates the inside of the rim. If equipped with the optional sonar AVS, it activates automatically during the spin to calculate the wheel's eccentricity. The sonar AVS also measures the hub match, identifying the point of greatest eccentricity on the wheel, allowing you to eliminate eccentricity by matching mechanical clearances when mounting the rim on the hub. Additionally, the tire set function recommends the best wheel positioning on the vehicle to achieve optimal ride quality and minimize vibrations. You can disable the diameter input through the laser matching option in the setup menu, allowing manual input of the wheel diameter. For steel rims, after selecting the type of weights to be applied, rotate the wheel until the laser pointer meets the laser line and tap the screen to confirm the diameter input. Rotate the wheel to position the laser pointer at the correction point and tap the screen. Lower the guard to automatically measure the wheel width with AutoSense sonar and perform a measurement spin. The wheel stops automatically at the first weight application position. By pressing a button on the monitor, the wheel will automatically reposition to the second correction plane. Finally, proceed with the control spin to ensure the wheel is balanced.